Allium cepa from Alinsky notes, onion family Liliaceae. Acute catarrhal inflammation of mucous membranes with increased secretion. Catarrhal dull headache with coryza aggravated in the evening. Amelioration in the open air. Aggravation on returning to a warm room. Compare euphrasia and pulsatilla. Headache ceases during menses, returns when flow disappears. Eyes burning, biting, smarting as from smoke, must rub them, watery and suffused, capillaries injected, and excessive lacrimation. Coryza, profuse watery and acrid nasal discharge with profuse bland lacrimation. Acrid watery discharge dropping from tip of nose. Spring coryza after damp northeasterly winds. Discharge burns and corrodes nose and upper lip. Hay fever in August every year. Violent sneezing on rising from bed from handling peaches. Nasal polypus. Catarrhal laryngitis. Cough compels patient to grasp the larynx. Seems as if cough would tear it. Colic from cold by getting feet wet. Overeating from cucumbers, salads, hemorrhoidal of children, aggravation sitting, amelioration moving about, neuralgic pains like a long thread in face, head, neck, chest, traumatic chronic neuritis, neuralgia of stump after amputation, burning and stinging pains. Panarrhea with red streaks up the arm, pains drive to despair in childbed, sore and raw spots on feet, specially healed from friction. Efficacious when feet are rubbed sore. Phlebitis puerperal after forceps delivery. Relation complementary phosphorus pulsatilla thuja. Compatible before calcarea and cilicia in polypus. Similar to euphrasia, but coryza and lacrimation are opposite. Bad effects from getting wet. Aggravation predominantly in the evening and in warm room. Amelioration in cold room and open air. Allium cepa from Boric materia medica, red onion. A picture of coryza with acrid nasal discharge and laryngeal symptoms, eye secretion, bland, singers cold, worse in warm room and toward evening. Better in open air and is presented by this remedy, specially adapted to phlegmatic patients, colds in damp cold weather, neuralgic pains like a fine thread following amputations or injuries to nerves, traumatic chronic neuritis, burning in nose, mouth, throat, bladder, and skin, sensation of glowing heat on different parts of the body. Head. Catarrhal headache mostly in forehead, worse in warm room towards evening, thread-like pains in face, headache ceases during menses, returns when flow disappears. Eyes red, much burning and smarting, lacrimation sensitive to light, eyes suffused and watery, profuse bland lacrimation, better in open air, burning in eyelids. Ears, earache shooting in eustachian tube. Nose, sneezing, especially when entering a warm room, copious, watery, and extremely acrid discharge, filling of a lump at root of nose, hay fever, fluent coryza with headache, cough, and hoarseness, polypus. Stomach, canine hunger, pain in pyloric region, thirst, belching, nausea. Abdomen, rumbling offensive flatus, pains in left hypogastrium, colic sitting, moving about. Rectum, diarrhea with very offensive flatus, stitches in rectum, itching and regads in anus. Glowing heat in rectum. Urinary, sensation of weakness in bladder and urethra. Increased secretion of urine with coryza. Urine red with much pressure and burning in urethra. Respiratory, hoarseness, hacking cough on inspiring cold air, tickling in larynx, sensation as if larynx is split or torn, oppressed breathing from pressure in middle of chest, constricted feeling in region of epiglottis, pain extending to ear. Extremities, lame joints, ulcers on heel, painful affections of fingers about nails, neuralgia of stump, bad effects from getting feet wet, limbs, especially arms, feel sore and tired, sleep, yawning with headache and drowsiness, gaping in deep sleep, dreams, wakes at 2 a.m. Modalities: worse in the evening in warm room, better in open air and in cold room. Relationship: compare Gelsemium euphrasia, Kali hydras, aconite, ipecac. Complementary: phosphorus, thuja, pulsatilla. Antidotes: arnica, chamomilla, veratrum. Dose: third potency.